Hold on to your seats, tech enthusiasts. Brace yourselves for some mind-blowing news in the smartphone universe. OnePlus has just dropped a bombshell, revealing tantalizing details about its upcoming OnePlus 12. Get ready to witness a camera revolution like never before. In an electrifying partnership with Sony, OnePlus is set to unleash the power of the new Lichia dual-layer stacked sensor in the OnePlus 12. And guess what? The main camera will be none other than the stellar Sony LYT-808 sensor, promising jaw-dropping image quality, especially when the lights go down. But wait, there's more. Feast your eyes on the 64MP periscope zoom camera, equipped with OIS magic and a penchant for 3x optically zoomed images. It's like having a high-tech spy gadget right in your pocket. And here's the cherry on top. OnePlus is keeping the flame alive with its Hasselblad partnership. Prepare for a visual feast with Hasselblad's color science and image processing wizardry. But that's not all, folks. OnePlus is throwing in some Oppo image algorithms, including an ultra-clear image quality algorithm, a hyperlight and shadow algorithm, and a natural color algorithm. It's like a secret recipe for capturing picture-perfect moments. Hold your breath, because Oppo and Hasselblad just unveiled the Hasselblad Hypertone camera engine, and guess what? It's making a grand entrance in the OnePlus 12. An end-to-end redesign in imaging, the stuff dreams are made of. And if your eyes crave nothing but the best, the OnePlus 12 is bringing a 2K resolution ProXDR display to the party. Get ready to be visually transported to another dimension. Mark your calendars, China. The OnePlus 12 is dropping this month, and the world will be hit with a tidal wave of tech brilliance come January 2024. This is not just a phone, it's a revolution in your hands.